I am Neeta Sharma from PM Expert. In this lesson, we will build a clear visual understanding of scatter diagrams, sometimes called scatter plots. These help us see the relationship between two numerical variables at a glance. Here is the idea. Each dot represents one paired measurement. The horizontal position is the x value, and the vertical position is the y value. If the dots rise together from left to right, we have a positive association. We can even draw a simple line of best fit to summarize the overall trend. Now, let us compare three common patterns side by side: positive association, negative association, and no clear association. Watch how the cloud of points tells the story in each case. Sometimes the relationship is not a straight line. Here is a curved pattern. Notice how a straight fit would miss the shape, but a smooth curve captures it better. Outliers can pull the line of best fit. Let us go back to our first example and drop one extreme point. Watch how the best fit line pivots after the outlier is added. To read a scatter diagram, look for direction, strength, and form. Direction is positive or negative. Strength tells you how tightly the points hug a simple shape, like a line. Form asks whether the shape is linear or curved. With these three ideas, you can interpret scatter plots clearly and quickly. Quick practice. What direction do you see here? Positive, negative, or no clear association? This one shows a negative association. Great work! You now know how to recognize trends, compare associations, watch for nonlinear shapes, and notice outliers in scatter diagrams. I am Neeta Sharma from PM Expert. See you in the next lesson.